I'm in Elk Path today to show you a very nice 2-bedroom mid-terraced home, this property just here. You'll see shortly the property stands overlooking a very nice green. The property benefits from carport and driveway parking to the rear of the property, and 2 en-suites, quite unusual. Very well presented and with no onward chain. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so walking through the front door into the entrance hall, the property has the benefit of some laminate wood effect flooring through the ground floor, hallway and into the lounge, which you can see ahead of me. To my left we have the kitchen, so window looking out to the front across the green, which is very pleasant. There is integrated appliances, so a dishwasher, a fridge freezer and built-in oven and hob. The owners have also added this little breakfast bar area, which is quite useful. Again, gives you just that extra bit of space. And as you can see, that's your view out to the front of the property. So across the hallway, downstairs loo. As you'll see as we walk around, the property is very child friendly. Lots of toys and things around, as you might expect. So living room with a useful understairs storage cupboard just to my right. And doors and windows looking out across the garden. So you can see there's a nice area of decking. The gate at the far boundary and path takes you out to the parking area. The property has a carport with a parking space in front of it. And then just turning back, looking back into the property. So the lounge from a different angle for you. So on the first floor, the master bedroom, which looks front towards the to the green, has an ensuite shower room. Just through there, tiled floor and partly tiled walls. And also has the benefit of a built-in double wardrobe. Second bedroom, which is also a double. You'll see that from the measurements. On the floor plan there is a large bunk bed in here and plenty of furniture, but you comfortably get a double in here. And this one has the benefit of an ensuite bathroom. So toilet, fully tiled bath area with shower, wash hand basin, and again window, so great for sort of ventilation as well. And that's your view back into the bedroom.